Looking for a smarter way to control your vehicle's 12-volt accessories without the hassle of complicated wiring? The Garmin PowerSwitch offers a compact, rugged, and weather-resistant solution that lets you wirelessly manage up to 6 outputs of 30 amps each. Whether you're using a compatible Garmin navigator or your smartphone with the Garmin PowerSwitch app, you get complete control at your fingertips. No dashboard cuts, no interference with your vehicle's electronics, just smooth, reliable operation. I installed the Garmin PowerSwitch about a month ago, and it's been a game changer. Unlike traditional power distribution units that require messy wiring and hard-to-reach connections, this device was straightforward to set up. I didn't have to run wires through the firewall or modify my dashboard. Plus, the ability to control everything from my smartphone or Garmin navigator means I can customize virtual switch panels with labels, icons, and even control dimming or flashing effects directly on the touchscreen. It's like having a smart switchboard tailored to exactly what I need. What really stands out is the flexibility. You can expand your setup by controlling up to 4 Garmin PowerSwitch devices from the same compatible device. Pair it with a Tread PowerSport navigator, sold separately, and you unlock automated smart switches that activate based on your vehicle's speed or time of day. This level of automation isn't just convenient, it helps you focus on the road while your accessories adjust automatically. And all of this comes at a price point that's often $100 to $500 less than comparable systems, without sacrificing features like fading and strobing effects. If you're tired of complicated installs and want a clean, efficient way to control your vehicle's accessories, the Garmin PowerSwitch is worth a look. It's durable, easy to use, and backed by a design that keeps your setup neat and accessible. Try it when you're ready to simplify your control system and upgrade your ride's functionality.